Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Jamie and I make cleaning and organizing videos every Sunday and Wednesday. We are a military family currently living overseas in Germany. If you're here for cleaning motivation, grab your coffee, grab your vacuum, and let's get into it.
Stuck in the middle. I stumble while I try, cause you don't wanna give in. Sounds like we're just talking in riddles. 5 in the morning, all we do is fighting.
Organizing a small kitchen is a continuous battle, so I made some purchases on Amazon recently, and I'm gonna try to get these cupboards a little bit more organized and a little bit more functional.
I will leave it up to you. Now I'm done and down the line.
I purchased a Lazy Susan for this cupboard for things like our peanut butter and our sauces that don't need to be refrigerated. And I also got some new baskets that you'll see me implement into a few different areas of our home.
I know you think about every time I'm out, and sometimes so we're texting back. But baby, don't you know I will come around and let you know I'm always coming back. 5 in the morning, all we do is fighting. Thought you'd come and make it right. I need a pause from the battle, but I don't think you're settled. You don't wanna get it right. I will leave it up to you. I will leave it up to you. Now I'm done and down the line. I will leave it up to I don't wanna lie, cause I know you hate it, but how am I supposed to say it like I mean it when you criticize like everything I say? I wish you knew that I'm trying every day. I will leave this up to you. I will leave this up to you.
Now I am tackling our drinks and supplements cupboard. It's basically full of drink mixes that me and my husband like to add to our water, and coffee, teas, lots of pre-workout and creatine and other various supplements that come in smaller packaging.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how.
As you can see, quite a bit of stuff came out of that cupboard, and it doesn't fit back in there in a Pinterest-worthy way, but it does fit back in there in a functional way for us. So that's really all I want and need.
The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body.
As you will see, it takes me a couple different tries to find a way that fits and will work well for us, but I do eventually figure it out. I do a lot of pondering about this cupboard off camera as well. I tried to eliminate some things altogether from this space, but we really just need it all to be here to be useful. We could probably live with a few less options of pre-workout, but what fun would life be without 5 choices?
Feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love. The way my lips feel on your body.
I picked up this organizer from Amazon. Seems like a bit of a luxury item to have an organizer for your pans, but so far so good. I've had it for a couple weeks now and I don't know what I did before it. It just makes it so much simpler. I'm also decluttering this cupboard. I just really need an excuse to let go of some of these pans that I'm just not going to use again. I got some new pans and I'm just investing in nicer things, and it was just time to let those go. Thankfully, the camera's not picking up just how dirty it is down here, but because my coffee maker is above this cupboard, and sometimes I press the wrong buttons and I brew a whole pot and put down a mug, so a whole pot brews into a mug, and of course it spills everywhere and drips down this cupboard, and I do my best in the moment to get it clean, but obviously I've missed some spots. It genuinely didn't occur to me that this might not fit, but I saw somebody else do it and place it sideways, so I thought I'd try that, but it also doesn't fit. Thankfully, my cupboard is adjustable, so I'm just gonna switch it up a bit and make it work.
I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be a perfect melody.
Overall, it was such a simple change, but I really like the finished look and it's super functional.
Go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending.
Here I'm just gonna add some baskets to our 2 shelves of pantry food in our entryway. I know that organizers will say that you shouldn't put anything where you can't see it, but that's just not an option with our tight space and really deep cupboards, so I thought baskets would make it easy and quick to pull out a large majority of the items in the front to see and get to the items in the back.
It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Can't get enough. We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat, I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream, keep on dreaming about us, babe. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
When I'm doing a deep clean of the house or a larger area, my O-Cedar spin mop is literally my favorite thing to clean with. But since I'm just doing a quick tidy up of my kitchen, I didn't want to fill an entire mop bucket, so I have some Pine Sol in that spray bottle, and I'm just spraying my kitchen floors and quickly Swift-ring them.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the space.
As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave it a like or a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next time.